Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share.
Dear students, let us start the chapter Practical Geometry. In class 7 you know how to construct a triangle. So for construction of a triangle you need three parts. Either the three sides of two sides and their included angle, or two angles and their included side, or in case of right triangle, if the hypotenuse and any one side are given, then you are able to construct that triangle. So here in class 8 you have to know how to construct a quadrilateral. As you know, a quadrilateral has 10 parts, 4 sides, 4 angles and 2 diagonals. So we need 5 parts to construct a quadrilateral. So these 5 givens should be there so that we are able to construct a quadrilateral. First is when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. Then second, when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. Third, when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. Then the fourth one, when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. Then fifth one, when other special properties are known. Special properties, that means in case of rhombus, parallelogram, rectangle or square, we have to draw with the special properties of those special types of quadrilateral. So let us construct quadrilaterals one by one. Let us start our first construction. Construction of quadrilateral. Example 1 is construct a quadrilateral PQRS where PQ is 4 cm, QR is 6 cm, RS is 5 cm, PS is 5.5 cm and PR is 7 cm. Here the 4 sides of the quadrilateral are given and 1 diagonal is given. The first step is we have to draw a rough sketch by using these given statements. So rough sketch will help us in visualizing the quadrilaterals. We draw first the rough sketch and mark the measurements also. Here PQRS is the quadrilateral where PQ is 4 cm, QR is 6 cm, PS is 5.5 cm, here SR is 5 cm and the diagonal PR is 7 cm. Then we have to write the given part also in this way. Then I have already written the steps of construction. You have to follow the steps. So first step, so look at the rough sketch of the quadrilateral PQRS. So here the triangle PQR, all the sides are given. In your class 7, you know how to draw a triangle if the 3 sides are given. So here we can construct PQR triangle. So first step is draw triangle PQR by using the condition SSS construction condition. So first we have to draw the triangle PQR. So here we have to take PR is equal to 7 cm. So this is PR is 7 cm. Then PQ, the same construction steps you have to follow what you were followed by for constructing a triangle. So PQ is 4 cm. So we have to take 4 cm radius. So here we have to take 4 cm radius. So by taking P as center and 4 cm radius, you have to draw an arc like this. Then again RQ is 6 cm. So you have to take 6 cm as radius and R is the center. Draw another arc. And this point is our Q. The intersection of two arcs is our point Q. Then join PQ. So here PQR triangle was constructed. Second step is S. Look at the rough sketch. S is in the opposite part of PR. So here PS is 5.5 centimeter. So now you will take P as center and 5.5 centimeter as radius. Draw another arc. So we have to take 5.5 centimeter as radius. So taking P as center and 5.5 centimeter as radius, draw an arc. Again, third step, with R as center and 5 centimeter as radius, draw another arc. So 5 centimeter as radius. So by taking R as center and 5 centimeter as radius, we have to draw another arc. Then the intersection point of two arcs, that point will be our S. Mark it as S. Then join PS. Then join RS. So here PQRS is our required quadrilateral. Is our required quadrilateral. So in this way you can construct the quadrilateral if the 4 sides and 1 diagonals are given. So here you can write the measurement. This is 4 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter, this is 5.5 centimeter, and this is 5 centimeter. So here our first construction, if 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given.